Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever struggled to read emails in Outlook because the text looks way too small, this video is going to save your eyes. Today, I'll show you the simplest and most reliable way to make your Outlook font bigger, whether you're writing emails or just trying to read them more comfortably. Let's jump right in. First, you'll want to sign into your Outlook account. Open any web browser and head over to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. On the top right corner, click Sign In. Enter your email address, hit Next, and then type in your password carefully. Pay attention to capital letters and any special characters. If Outlook asks for verification, like a code sent to your phone, go ahead and complete that step. Once you're in, Outlook may ask if you want to stay signed in. If you're on your personal computer, choosing yes is convenient. But if you're using a shared or public device, definitely select no to protect your account. Now that you're fully logged in, let's make that font bigger. Click on New Mail to open a fresh email window. At the top, you'll see the formatting toolbar. Look for the font size option. It might appear as a drop-down number or a small arrow icon. Click it and simply choose a larger size that feels comfortable for you. Outlook will instantly apply the bigger font as you type. A quick note, so there's no confusion. This only changes the font size for emails you compose. It doesn't automatically enlarge text in emails you receive. If incoming messages still feel too small, you can use your browser's zoom feature or adjust your device's display settings to make everything appear larger and easier to read. And that's it. Super simple. Now you can read and write emails without squinting or feeling eye strain. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more quick tech tutorials, and drop a comment if you want a guide on customizing fonts even further. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.